check in?
Let me get your order number.
My order number is 22.
Alright, or make your way down to door 15, door 15.
15?
Yeah, 15.
Guys, I was getting so close to leaving and I forgot that this guy asked for a charger and I gotta go get it back, so let's go find him. I don't know where he's at. He said he was on the corner. I don't know, I'm gonna just knock on trucks. I think that might be him because he said he was in the corner. Don't know, it's super windy here, guys. Look at this beautiful view though. I was getting so close to leaving. No, it's not you, huh?
Yes, my son.
Did you ask me for a charger earlier?
What's it?
Did you ask me for a charger? No, huh?
No.
Okay. Oh, it's this guy over here. Oh, it's not here. What the? Dude, I think he robbed me. Hello? Oh, it's not here. Guys, I can't find this guy. I think he might have took off with my charger. Guys, I can't find this guy. I don't even know what truck he got anymore. I got robbed from my charger. The truck driver is nowhere to be found. And my phone's about to die. Oh my god. I had to leave because I'm waiting on the door, but I literally gave him my whole charger and the whole cable, like the thing that goes plugged in here. And yeah, guys, he's nowhere to be found now. I'm not even joking. I'm actually just gonna go park and I'm gonna walk back because I don't think that's fair. He asked me sincerely for a charger and then he was like, can I stay here? And I'm like, no, you can't. I mean, obviously I have Paul and I'm not trying to be mean, but why would I want a guy just sitting in here charging his phone? It's so awkward, you know? It's like my personal space. So yeah, guys, that happened now, and now I gotta figure something out. My phone is literally on 18%. I'm honestly getting stressed. I hope, guys, that right now when I'm parking, he's just there and he has that guilty look on his face. Oh. Guys, I didn't record this on camera, but I literally backed into my dock, went all over the parking spot looking for him, and he's nowhere to be found. I literally am without a charger now. If you're watching this, don't let anybody use your charger. This is my first time this happens to me, and now I'm honestly kind of bummed out, but I got my GoPro charger, but it's like this big, so I'm bummed out. Now I have to actually leave because I'm loaded, and I have to go like 30 minutes down with no charger. Anyways, let's get this out the way. Come on, you got this, you got this, you got this. Let's get ready to close some doors. Paul, why didn't you do anything, Paul? Head out though, I gotta get my charger because I just got robbed. Does this one work? So you always gotta have so many chargers. I hope this is for my, oh, this is my laptop. What about this one? Oh, I don't even have nowhere to connect it at. Wait, does it fit here though? Yes. Let's see if it works. Ooh, kind of worked. Now I'm just gonna be like this the whole way. Oh my god. Anyways, let's go.
Arrive at your destination.
My broker dispatch was telling me that this place, that the guy at the front check-in office, that he was super rude. So let's see how that goes. Let's let's go check in. They want the temp to be at 34. Now let's go check in. Look at this nice Kenworth right here, all the way from Brownsville, Texas. That's right, that's right. Woo-wee. Tan rápido. Gracias. Yo guys, we got a door ASAP. Woo, boy. I just want to say that I'm super thankful for everyone that I meet out here on the road. Honestly, I met a lot of cool people. Honestly, not even just in California or Fresno. I always meet people Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. And it's just a cool feeling, man. Getting to meet people that watch my videos, that they're probably not fans, but just them seeing my videos and say what's up, it means so much to me. I feel super proud of myself, like como que le estoy echando ganas, you know. So it makes me so happy. If you guys ever see me in person, I always like to give out some stuff that's my merch, Trucking Dip, which is I'm surrounded by truckers. I got you guys on keychains, air freshener, stickers. If you meet me, if you're watching this video, I got you anytime, anywhere, literally anywhere. But now it's time to wait. I actually cleaned my semi truck earlier before I got robbed for my charger. I can't wait anymore to eat, so I think I'm gonna go to a lonchera here. There's a lot of loncheras here, so yeah, definitely I'm pulling over. The steak, I might leave it for tonight. It's already 8 in the night and I need my energy. We're coming to this lonchera right here, this little green one next to the Pilot. Buenas tardes, oiga. Sí me da dos de tripa, dos tacos de tripa, pero que esté bien dorada, porfa.
¿Quieren el taco especial o del regular?
¿Qué es el especial?
Son tortillas pequeñas.
No, regular. Y me da dos de al pastor, porfa.
¿Perdón?
3 de al pastor para que sean los 5. Sí, con todo, por favor. Para llevar, por favor. Que ahorita vengo por ellos, nomás voy a la tienda. I definitely gotta go get my charger because I'm not leading the I'm not gonna lie, I got my feelings hurt. So let's make our way to Pilot. I was gonna go to that one, the Los Hills Truck Plaza, but sometimes their prices are more higher than this one. So let's just go to Pilot. I already know what they have. It's gonna be taxing. They're both taxing, bruh. So yeah, let's go to Pilot. Looks like I'm gonna get this one looks pretty cool, but the one I had was this one right here. The guy owes me 35 bucks. Alright, can I take this? And I'll take this. You think I can get a bag?
Yeah.
All set. Thank you.
Take your receipt.
No. Thank you, appreciate it. Ya dijo, muchas gracias. Igualmente. drive. I got too comfortable eating my tacos. Ya me cayeron de peso, but no, guys, we gotta go. We gotta go. Arizona, here we come. And I'll see you guys when we're in Arizona, because right now, I'm not even lying to you guys. I'm in Los Feliz, California. We're gonna hammer down till we see Park, Arizona, guys. And I'll see you guys in Arizona. Now, it's literally 3 a.m. and I'm literally in the middle of the desert, and I just started to get like a little panic attack because I look over and I see Paul. And then I was watching a podcast that was talking about aliens. I'm like, oh no, it's 3 o'clock. I started to get freaked out. Parker, Arizona. It's currently 3:43 in the morning, and I'm gonna go to bed. What's up, guys? Good morning. It's finally time to cook my steak. So come on, guys. I got everything set up, and it's time to enjoy this nice big meal, boys. We got everything set up. This is what we're gonna be cooking: some NY strip steak. Got my thyme, got my garlic, oil, everything. And this is my grill right here. I feel like not a lot of people get to see that truck drivers could also do the van life, the truck life. And this is a perfect example right here. I got a portable grill, custom grill on my semi truck. And I'm gonna show you guys how it works, how I cook, how I live on the road. Oh yeah. It's not that clean right now. I haven't had time to clean it, although you could tell by my truck. So yeah, when I clean my truck, I clean both. This is coming along, boys. Would you just look at that? Woo, look at all that. Wow, man, wow. But I add my butter and garlic. The steak is ready. Cut it up. I'm honestly, guys, I'm a beginner at cooking steak. Alright, it looks like it's honestly well done. Let's try it. Guys, am I supposed to eat these? Let's try it. Honestly, eating these feels so good. Ready? Super crunchy. Almost done, guys, almost done. Whew. So hot out here, guys. I just finished my food. It's currently 103 degrees. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 103 degrees here in Park, Arizona. Yeah, guys, I want to invite you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My goal is to reach 10K before the summer ends. I've been really consistent uploading YouTube videos showing you guys my lifestyle, and I hope I could reach 10K subscribers before the summer ends. That's my goal.